Hi, I'm Lindy from Australia's Best Recipes.
And today we're making eggnog gingerbread tarts. Place 150 grams of ginger nut biscuits over the holes of a patty can and bake in the oven for 5 minutes. Add 300 ml of cream, 125 ml of milk and 100 grams of vanilla pudding and beat until thick. Beat in 2 tablespoons of brandy, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a little bit of ground nutmeg to make an eggnog custard. Pop it in the fridge until you're ready to use it again. Gently press the warm biscuits into the hole of the patty pan to form a tart case. Allow them to cool and harden, then remove to a plate. Fill the ginger nut tart cases with eggnog custard and sprinkle over a little extra cinnamon and nutmeg.
For more from our community of home cooks, visit bestrecipes.com.au.